For years, I believed what almost every driver believes, that a car battery lasting 3 or 4 years is completely normal. Mechanics replace thousands of batteries every day, and most people assume that's just the way things are. But a few years ago, I met an experienced Japanese technician who told me something that completely shocked me. He claimed that with the right maintenance habits, a regular car battery could last over 10 years. Not a special battery, not an expensive upgrade, just the same battery most people throw away after a few years. At first, I thought it sounded impossible, but he showed me vehicles that were still running their 8- and 9-year-old batteries without any starting problems. That immediately got my attention. So, I decided to test these Japanese methods on several vehicles, including my own car, over the next few months. The results were honestly surprising. Batteries maintained with these techniques stayed stronger, held their charge longer, and showed far less voltage drop than normally maintained batteries. Some even performed almost like new after years of use. In this video, I will show you those Japanese battery care methods that keep batteries strong for nearly a decade. These techniques cost almost nothing, take only minutes, and can save you hundreds of dollars in battery replacements. Let's start with method that most American ignores. Method 7. The 100% SOC discipline. The primary silent killer of batteries worldwide is a phenomenon known as acid stratification, a condition where the electrolyte concentrates at the bottom of the battery casing, which leaves the top of the plate starved and the bottom corroded. Statistics show that roughly 80% of all premature battery failures are the direct result of short trip syndrome, where the vehicle is turned off before the alternator can return the battery to a 100% state of charge. To prevent this, the Japanese drivers utilize a strict weekly saturation drive. Because a standard alternator only provides a surface charge during the first 10 minutes of operation, it actually takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes of sustained RPMs above 2000 by ensuring the battery hits a 100% state of charge at least once every 7 days. This ensures the battery stays fully charged and prevents long-term chemical damage. Method 6. The hot water technique. One of the most common reasons batteries fail early is corrosion on the terminals. Japanese mechanics treat terminal cleaning as routine maintenance, because even a thin layer of corrosion increases electrical resistance. The alternator has to work harder to charge the battery, which slowly damages the battery's internal plates. Studies show that dirty battery terminals can reduce charging efficiency by up to 30%. Japanese technicians often pour a small amount of hot water over the battery terminals at least once a month to dissolve this corrosion before it becomes thick and stubborn. The heat quickly breaks down the sulfate crystals and washes them away without aggressive scrubbing. After pouring the hot water, they wipe the terminals dry with a cloth and ensure the connections remain tight. This quick cleaning method takes less than a minute, but prevents corrosion buildup that slowly weakens the battery. This simple habit helps maintain strong electrical flow and keeps the battery charging efficiently for years. Method 5. Check battery fluid level every 3 months. Many drivers never realize that their battery contains electrolyte fluid that can slowly evaporate over time, especially in hot climates. When the fluid level drops too low, once that happens, the plates start to sulfate and corrode, that permanently reduce the battery's ability to hold a charge. Therefore, Japanese drivers regularly check battery electrolyte levels every 3 to 6 months, particularly during summer when heat accelerates evaporation. That's why many Japanese service centers consider electrolyte checks a standard part of routine maintenance. Checking it is simple. Remove the battery caps and inspect the fluid level. If the level is low, add only distilled water. After topping it off, securely close the caps, which significantly extends battery life. Method 2. Monitor battery voltage monthly. Japanese mechanics strongly believe that monitoring battery voltage is one of the best ways to predict battery health before failure happens. Most drivers only notice battery problems when the car suddenly won't start, but voltage monitoring allows you to detect weakness months earlier. Checking voltage is simple and takes less than a minute with a small digital multimeter. When the engine is off, a healthy, fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. If the reading drops to around 12.4 volts, the battery is only about 75% charged. Anything near 12.0 volts indicates the battery is severely discharged and starting to degrade. Japanese drivers perform this quick voltage test once every month as preventive maintenance. This proactive monitoring prevents deep discharge damage, which is one of the fastest ways to shorten battery lifespan. Method 1. Use of battery maintainer or trickle charger. One of the fastest ways to damage a car battery is letting it sit unused for long periods. When a battery stays partially discharged, a chemical process called sulfation begins forming hard crystals on the battery plates. According to battery research, a car battery can lose up to 35% of its charge in just 1 month of sitting idle, especially in warm climates. Japanese car owners avoid this problem by keeping their batteries maintained whenever the car is parked for extended periods. Many drivers use a battery maintainer or trickle charger if the vehicle won't be driven for several weeks. These devices provide a small, continuous charge that keeps the battery at its ideal voltage without overcharging it. This simple habit prevents sulfation buildup and ensures the battery remains healthy even during long storage periods. Method 3. Temperature management. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of car batteries. High temperatures accelerate the chemical reactions inside the battery, which slowly damages the internal lead plates and evaporates electrolyte fluid. Battery research shows that for every 8 degrees Celsius increase in temperature, battery life can drop by nearly 50%. That's why Japanese automakers often install battery insulation covers or heat shields in the engine bay. These covers help block engine heat and stabilize battery temperature. Parking habits matter too. Cars parked in direct sunlight during summer can reach engine bay temperatures above 70 degrees Celsius. This level of heat can dramatically shorten battery life. Japanese drivers often park in garages or shaded areas whenever possible. Even simple shade can reduce battery temperature by 10 to 15 degrees, significantly slowing internal damage. That's all for this video. And if you want to learn more Japanese car maintenance secrets that mechanics rarely share, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next video.